Hello everyone, welcome to section 1.3. The title of this section is Understanding the 2D Shapes in Paint 3D. Select the 2D Shapes icon. On selecting it, we can see some 2D lines, some 2D curves, and some additional 2D shapes. So let us learn more by using the 2D line. Left click to select the icon. The selected icon gets highlighted in blue. And to know more about the icon, place the mouse on the icon. So let us begin by drawing a line on the canvas. Left click and drag to draw the line. Release the button to finish the process. On doing so, we can see that the line is enclosed between the dotted lines. These dotted lines helps us to increase or decrease the size of the line. So let us learn more about the things that we see on the canvas. Starting with the stamp icon. The stamp icon is used to create multiple copies of the same line. Left click to create a stamp. As we can see, another copy of the line has been created. Let's move this line to another location. Left click and drag the line to a new location. Now let's talk about the two dots that we see on the either ends of the line. Using these white dots, we can move the direction of the line. Now let's talk about some additional properties of the line that we see on the right hand side. Using the first property, we can change the color of the line. Using thickness, we can increase or decrease the thickness of the line. And we can similarly increase or decrease the opacity. And we can also add a material to the line. And we can also convert it into 3D. In the next option, we can rotate the line by 90 degrees, clockwise or anti-clockwise. We can similarly flip the line. Once you're happy with the position and the orientation of the line, click on the tick icon to finish the process. Now we have understood the 2D line. Let's talk about the 2D shapes. Let's add a 2D shape to the canvas. Left click to select the icon, then click and drag to add the shape. On adding the shape, we can see an additional icon at the top. This helps us to rotate the shape clockwise or anti-clockwise. And in the center, by how many degrees we are rotating the shape is displayed. Let's talk about some additional properties of the 2D shape. In the first option, we can fill the 2D shape with our desired color. And we can also remove the filling. In the second option, we can have the border or we can remove the border. And then we can also increase or decrease the thickness of the line, and we can also increase or decrease the opacity. Just like the line, we can also add a material, convert it into 3D, rotate it clockwise, anti-clockwise by 90 degrees, and also flip it. Once you're done with the process, click on the tick to add the 2D shape on the canvas. So, in this video we have learned how to add a line, how to add a 2D shape, and the different properties of the 2D line and the 2D shape. Thank you for watching.